Recognizable and customizable avatars add exclusivity value to the user's experience in your 3D product. In this video, we explain in detail how you can bring the power of personalization to your 3D products using our new MetaPerson Creator, a powerful tool that can create an avatar from a single selfie and give the user the ability to customize the avatar in different ways. MetaPerson Creator is perfect for anyone who wants to create a unique 3D avatar for gaming, social media, or just for fun. It's easy to use and doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. To see it in action, try the MetaPerson Creator yourself and watch the video tutorials on our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explain how you can integrate this solution into your project. Let's start from the beginning. First of all, we'd like to note that the MetaPerson Creator comes in two flavors. The first one is MetaPerson Creator for desktop, as its name states, best suited for products that run on desktop computers. It is based on Unity WebGL and uses a wide range of available rendering features to show MetaPerson avatars at their best. MetaPerson Creator for desktop can be used on various platforms, including Unity, Unreal Engine, Oculus Quest, and others. We provide ready code samples for different platforms in our GitHub repository. On the other hand, MetaPerson Creator for mobile is based on native WebGL and optimized for mobile platforms. It can be run on both desktop computers and mobile devices. Both versions of MetaPerson Creator are designed to be easily integrated into products, and the integration mechanisms are very similar, so we will use one of them as an example in this video. We won't dwell on the functionality of the MetaPerson Creator too much. It is worth saying that an avatar can be created from a frontal image that can be obtained from your mobile phone camera or a disk. You can customize body and face parameters, the color of lips, eyebrows, and skin, and change haircut and its color. You may choose outfits and use our AI texture generator to create custom colors for them from the text description. We recommend watching tutorials on the functionality of the desktop and mobile versions of MetaPerson Creator on our official YouTube channel. You can find links in the description of this video. MetaPerson Creator easily integrates into applications with an iframe container and can be managed with JavaScript API. We name this process Business Integration for MetaPerson Creator. For example, with the JavaScript API, you can manage export parameters, such as the format and quality of exported files, or handle the avatar link when the generation process is finished. For both versions, desktop and mobile, there is a URL that needs to be opened in an iframe. When the page is loaded, as a developer, you will need to provide your account credentials. Developer credentials are a pair of values that you obtain when creating the application in your developer account at avatarsdk.com. Credentials are required if you want your users to export the avatars they create. So to start the integration process, you will need to sign into your account. Open the API Credentials tab in the Developer section. Then type any name in the application name control and press the Submit button to get your credentials for using Avatar SDK. Copy the app client ID and app client secret values. Please note that you will need to be subscribed to the Pro plan or higher if you'd like to use MetaPerson Creator in your products. Consider subscribing to one of the enterprise tiers if you need to add some custom features or assets to the MetaPerson Creator. And feel free to ask any questions at support@avatarsdk.com. We provide many samples for business integration on different platforms. You can explore them on our official GitHub account. On our YouTube channel, you can watch tutorials on business integration for various platforms, including Unity, Unreal Engine, Android, and others. In this video, we are going to look at the website integration of the MetaPerson Creator, but keep in mind that the whole concept is similar to any platform that will use business integration. Let's open the demo page and save it to the local drive. Let's open the page in the text editor and see what's inside. You can manage the MetaPerson Creator by posting messages of a special format to the iframe. This way you can set its parameters, for example. You can also subscribe to the special events to receive data from iframe. We have three main requests that manage the MetaPerson Creator integration: authentication request, export settings request, and UI settings. In this video, we will briefly describe the purpose and use of these requests. Detailed information can be found in the official documentation. Let's start in order. Authentication request is responsible for connecting MetaPerson Creator with your Avatar SDK account. You need to execute it first to be able to interact with the Avatar SDK cloud. In parameters, provide client ID and client secret values from your developer account. The next one is the export parameters request. This request allows you to configure the export parameters for your avatar. You can specify the format of the exported file, GLB, GLTF, or FBX, the LOD of the exported file, the quality of the textures, and whether to wrap the resulting avatar in a zip archive. Texture quality and format are requested by providing one of the available profile values. UI parameters request allows you to set some of the UI appearance settings. With the Is Export Button Visible parameter, you can control whether the UI includes the export button or not. The Close Export dialog when export completed parameter is available only on the MetaPerson Creator for desktop and specifies closing the modal window with the export link right after export completion. Outfits Blacklist parameter controls the list of outfits that are not available and not shown in the MetaPerson Creator. By default, all outfits are available. There are several additional properties that you can configure in the UI settings of the MetaPerson Creator for mobile. Is Login Button Visible parameter specifies should the UI include the profile button or not. Export Button Text allows you to change the text of the export button. Theme parameter allows to choose the visual theme for the UI. Available options are dark and light. If the application or website already has the information about the required gender, we can skip this question in the UI of the mobile version by providing the male or female value to the gender parameter. When the model is exported, you can obtain the URL for the result by handling the corresponding event. In addition, you will receive the gender of the resulting model. The described approach can be used to integrate MetaPerson Creator into your application on almost any platform. As we mentioned before, we already have a number of sample projects for different platforms. Feel free to use them as a starting point along with our documentation. Please note that the functionality of the parameters extends with new updates, so the documentation is the best way to get the actual information about different parameters and their usage. And if your project requires any additional features that are not yet available in MetaPerson Creator, please let us know about them at support@avatarsdk.com. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about the new tutorials.